Hello everybody, my name is BD418 and welcome to a brand new logo alt MOC. Today we're converting the children's tricycle into a tractor. Finally a build not ending in the word cycle, or K. Today's build comes in 191 pieces across 78 steps, so divide that as an average of 2.4 pieces for the tractor. Nothing specific about this build at all, it's just a standard tractor. So let's strip the children's tricycle apart, put the pieces in their recording tabs and get to today's conversion, the tractor. Enjoy the build. Here's the full and complete conversion for 42118's Children's Trike into the tractor, and I'll admit, it's my least favourite MOC for this set so far. A good few spares, an iffy build. There was one piece, I think it was step 70 or 71, where this green piece goes through the bit here. It's physically impossible to put the grey circle connector on it unless you take about 4 sections apart. Pullback doesn't really work on it. The only great thing about this set is that it does look a bit like a tractor. Build wasn't all that bad. Took about 40 minutes to build this thing. This front end is very flimsy. There's a bit here that moves around and fell off quite a few times as well. It's only held on by one tiny grey stud. Not a particular set that I would really want to build again, but not all sets can be hits. Some are misses. And for me, this is a miss, but I'm glad I built it because it provides content for you lot to enjoy. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know your thoughts down below and leave a like, subscribe if you're new. How do you feel about the tractor? Is it for you? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you want it? Do you not want it? Tell me how you feel about it down below. And with that said, I've been BDFO18. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care now.